Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be trying, reviewing and doing some lip swatches on the brand new Huda Beauty Demi Matte, I lost the name there, the brand new Huda Beauty Demi Matte Liquid Lipsticks. I cannot wait to try these. I remember when I got the matte liquid lipsticks, I think it was about a year ago now. I literally loved the formula. I love the lipsticks. They're so like soft, so pigmented, they last so long, they're not like drying, they don't irritate your lips, they're perfect. So I cannot wait to try this formula and this new Demi Matte. So it's like a semi-matte and semi-satin, so it's got like a little bit of both in it. So I'm super excited. Before I get into it, I want you guys to subscribe to my channel. Press this little button down here. It is completely free. All you'll be doing is subscribing to watch more videos like this, and make sure that you press the little bell beside it as well so that you get notified each time I upload. And if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. As you can see, I've done my full face already. I used the Huda Beauty Rose Gold Remastered palette for this eye look, and I will be telling you guys a little bit more about the liquid lipsticks. Then I'll be trying them on, and at the end I'll give you my final thoughts on what I thought of the liquid lipsticks. These literally released like yesterday. So Sunday the 29th. It's now Monday I'm recording, and hopefully this will be up on Tuesday for you guys to see. There is 15 shades that she released in total. I have 6 of the shades, so I'll be trying out 6 of them today. So these liquid Demi Matte lipsticks, well, they're actually Demi Matte Cream Lipstick, that's what the name is. So it's described as a highly pigmented formula, applies with a lacquer-like sheen before setting with a satin finish that lasts for hours without dehydrating lips. It's enriched with Maxi Lip technology. I'm not sure what that is, but okay. Okay, I didn't know this. So, it also says, this luscious lipstick subtly cools and tingles with menthol, leaving lips looking visibly plumper. You're trying to tell me that this lipstick's gonna plump in my lips as well? Okay, Huda. Right, we're gonna give this a go. These are what the boxes look like, so I got these 6 here. Now, as you can see with these lipstick shades, it's a clear packaging. When I opened this box, I kind of panicked. Because it's clear, I was like, have I just ordered clear lipstick holder packagings? I was like, please don't tell me I've just ordered clear lipstick holder packaging. I was like, no. And then I opened it properly and I realised that there is lipsticks in it. Thank God. Because look, literally when I opened this, I was like, is this just a box? I was freaking out a little bit. We got 6 shades, and the shades that we got are Feminist and Mogul. Sheikha? Is it Sheikha? Sheikha? I think it's Sheikha. Sheikha and Lady Boss. SheEO. I quite like that. SheEO, CEO, but she because it's a girl and she's the CEO of Huda Beauty. SheEO and Revolutionnarie. Okay, so now we're given that brief summary. I am going to get on with it and try these shades. So I do have a lip liner as well. I think that I am just going to use, it's the Huda Beauty liquid, no, it's the Huda Beauty lip contour, and this is in the shade Spice Girl. I literally always use this one. I love it, especially if I'm wearing a lighter lip. It sort of just defines it and makes it stand out a little bit more. So I'm going to go in with this first. Okay guys, so I'm just now going to go on with the lip swatches, so I hope you enjoy. Hey guys, so I'm back. I feel like I'm all swatched out, but those colours, I'm in love. Right, so these lipsticks. In the description, when it said that these lipsticks have like a menthol tingling feeling when you put it on to make your lips look plumper or to plumpen your lips, it wasn't wrong. I can literally feel, it literally feels like I've ate a polo mint, I've like somehow put it on my lips. Don't know why I would do that, but it feels like I've put a polo mint on my lips and just let it sit there, and I'm letting like the mint just like not burn, but like, I don't know, tingle my lips. I think that's the word. I'm just like, it's so weird. Like, you actually need to try it to know what this feels like. It feels really weird because when I was swatching those, I literally took one off after the other, put the next one on, and then so on, so on. I can't tell if it's plumped my lips. Plumped. I feel like I need to have it on longer to tell, because I literally took it off, put the next one on, so I need to have it on longer to tell. But I am loving these Demi Matte Cream liquid lipsticks. One thing, when you apply it at first, it does feel a tiny little bit sticky, but that goes after like 10-20 seconds. It kind of just disappears. It feels amazing. It feels hydrating. When I was taking it off, they did come off quite easily, but easy because I was kind of scrubbing it. I feel like throughout the day this will definitely last very long. Let's do a little swatch test. Okay. That's not came off my lips. Look at the pigment. These were super pigmented, like super pigmented. I'm loving it. Absolutely loving it. Huda Beauty has killed it yet again. Now, these lipsticks do vary for £18 each. So I suppose it is a little bit expensive. Just a little bit expensive. But the quality is good. The lipsticks are good. The shade range, she's got loads of different shades. I only went for the ones that I feel like I'll suit. I feel like with the lighter pink ones, I do like them, but I feel like they need more of the dark liner for them to work for my skin tone. The darker shades I am absolutely loving. This one and SheEO. Loving it. That is my conclusion to these lipsticks. I hope that you guys enjoy this video. I'm also going to put a tutorial on my Instagram of these lipsticks so that you can just see the swatches themselves, and you don't have to like listen to me talking on and on and on and on. You can just see the swatches, so make sure that you're following Beauty with Rhianne. And I hope that you guys have enjoyed this video. Don't forget, if you are still watching, do not forget to subscribe. You've made it all this way, all the way to the end of the video. You may as well hit subscribe, and you may as well hit the like button, because if you watched it till the end, you must have liked the video. So, subscribe and like, and I will see you for another video.